Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for stylish and affordable home picks. In today's video, we're diving into what we're confidently calling the best mustard pillows you can get online, the GriNeed mustard yellow velvet throw pillow covers. Let's take a closer look at why these beauties deserve that title. To start with, the GriNeed pillow covers are all about blending cozy comfort with modern style. They come in a set of two, sized perfectly at 18 by 18 inches, making them a seamless fit for standard throw pillows. Right out of the packaging, you'll notice the texture. These are crafted from thick, soft velvet that feels plush and substantial in your hands. It's not just visually luxurious, it also has anti-wrinkle, anti-fade, and anti-static properties, which is a big win when it comes to long-term usage. Visually, the mustard yellow shade stands out beautifully. It's a rich, deep mustard tone, not too bright, not too dull, making it an excellent accent for neutral palettes or boho-themed interiors. It adds that subtle pop of color whether you're styling a couch, bed, chair, or even an office nook. And because the design is striped with a modern touch, it adapts effortlessly to various decor styles: farmhouse, minimal, eclectic, or contemporary. Another design detail worth appreciating is the zipper. These come with a hidden, well-constructed invisible zipper closure. That means no unsightly bulges or awkward zipper peeking out, just a smooth, elegant look that blends right into your decor. And from a practical standpoint, the zipper works smoothly, making it easy to slip your inserts in and out, whether for cleaning or switching styles. Speaking of care, these covers are machine washable, which is a huge plus. Just toss them in with cold water on a gentle cycle and tumble dry low. No bleach, no ironing, no special fuss. That makes them perfect for homes with pets, kids, or just busy lifestyles in general. Now, here's a quick heads up: these are pillow covers only. Inners are not included, so you'll need to have or buy the inserts separately. But that also gives you flexibility to choose how fluffy or firm you want your pillows to be. For that designer-level look, pairing these with a slightly overstuffed insert can really elevate the aesthetic. Let's also talk about value. These covers are surprisingly affordable given the quality of fabric and craftsmanship. You can mix and match across your seating area to create visual dimension while keeping the color theme consistent. To wrap this up, if you're looking to refresh your space without doing a full design overhaul, this is an easy and impactful move. The GriNeed mustard yellow velvet pillow covers bring together rich color, soft texture, and modern farmhouse vibes, all in a package that looks way more expensive than it is. Whether it's for your living room, bedroom, patio, or even a cozy reading corner, these pillow covers are a stylish staple you'll be glad you added to your home. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown or have any questions about the product, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly product finds and honest home essentials reviews. See you next time.